In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change donut size hole in Excel. If you've ever used a donut chart and wished the center hole were a little bigger or smaller, you're in the right place. Adjusting that hole can make your chart easier to read, give you room for a title or a key metric in the middle, and help the slices stand out with the right balance. I'll walk you through it clearly, and you'll see that it only takes a few clicks. Start by heading to the ribbon at the top of Excel and clicking the Insert tab. This is where all your chart tools live. In the Charts group, look for the pie chart icon. Clicking it opens a small gallery of related chart types. From that list, choose Doughnut. Excel will immediately insert a donut chart based on the data that's currently ready in your worksheet. Don't worry about the exact look yet. We're about to fine-tune it. Next, select the chart and double-click anywhere on the ring of the donut. This action opens the formatting options on the right side of your screen in a panel called Format Data Series. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the chart is selected and that you're double-clicking the colored ring, not the background or the title area. Inside the Format Data Series panel, look for the setting labeled Donut Hole Size. You'll see a slider and a box where you can type a percentage. Drag the slider to the left to make the center hole smaller, which thickens the ring and emphasizes each slice. Drag it to the right to make the center hole larger, which opens up space in the middle, handy if you plan to place a number or a short label there. You'll get a live preview as you move the control, so adjust it until the chart feels clear and balanced for your data. A few quick tips while you fine-tune. If the slices start looking too thin, reduce the hole size a bit so each category remains easy to compare. If your categories are few but you want a clean, modern look, a slightly larger hole can work well. With multiple data series, you'll see concentric rings. The same setting controls the shared center hole, so pick a size that keeps all rings legible. And as you adjust, keep an eye on labels and colors to ensure everything remains readable at a glance. That's all it takes. Click Insert, open the pie chart menu, choose Doughnut, double-click the ring, and adjust the donut hole size to suit your story. Save your file, and you're done.